This is Ifani and Derek, and we're doing the economist Walter Williams. Walter Edward Williams is a well-known American economist, commentator, and academic. He is a distinguished professor of economics as well as a columnist and author known for his libertarian views. Williams lived with his mother and sister in West Philadelphia through high school, where he was said to have neighbors with a young Bill Cosby. After high school, Williams moved in with his father in California. Shortly after moving in with his father, Williams was drafted into the Army. He started his draft station in the Jim Crow South until he was transferred to Korea because he challenged the racial order of the Army with provocative statements to his fellow soldiers. After being discharged from the Army, Williams spent the next 7 years getting his PhD from UCLA after attending California State University for 2 years. During this time, he met several other up-and-coming economists, such as Armand Alchian and James M. Buchanan, whose views opposed his. It was also around this time he also met his and married his wife, Connie. After obtaining his PhD, Williams worked at several different universities until settling down at George Mason University. He later became a professor of economics there and the chairman of the university's economics department. During his time as a professor, Williams wrote 10 books, which consist of America, A Minority Viewpoint in 1982, The State Against Blacks in 1984, All It Takes Is Guts, A Minority View in 1988, and several others. Williams is a proponent of free market economics and opposes socialist systems of government intervention. But he sees laissez-faire capitalism as being the most moral and most productive system man has ever devised. Williams and his wife had a daughter, Devine, 15 years after getting married, and unfortunately, Williams' wife died later on in 2007. Williams is also cousins with former NBA player Julius Erving. And these are our sources for finding Walter Williams. And this is Ifani and Derek.